What's up, guys? Come to G Studios today and tomorrow for the
Green Market.
See you here. Ciao.
Ciao.
Look here.
Thank you. What's up, guys? Brother Jay.
Thank you, kapatid.
Thank you, bro. Nice to see you. Ikot mo ako. What's up, IG? We're here at G Studios. We have vegan ice cream right here. We have plant-based and more. We have hot chocolate there. So, we're here in G Studios right now. We have a plant-based market. Let me tour you guys around. So we have these guys. Hi guys. We have these guys. Hi bro. Katutubo lokal? Katutubo at lokal. Ganda naman ang pin mo. Saan mo nakuha yan? Ayos. Ayos tol. The madam's here. So these guys produce all local products from
Mountain Province. We also have from Real Quezon, Iba Zambales, and Paete, Laguna.
Also in Paete. We have a farm in Paete.
Whoa.
Yeah. Awesome stuff. Look at this.
Maybe you know the place, Sitio Papatangan.
In the mountains?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I'm from. I'm from. We have a
You have a farm there.
yeah. Yeah. We'll talk after.
Thank you.
And then my brothers here and sisters here. They're a couple, by the way, okay? Pretos, very good. Chickpea chips, very, very good. Check them out here. And then very good stuff. Hi, Mom. And then
From Vegan Beauty Philippines.
Vegan Beauty Philippines, all organic, all vegan. What's up, bro? And have lunch here with my brother here from Wild Time, right there. All fresh food, vegan foods. Very good. And we have the Johnny, all vegan the Johnny. Hi mom. Hi mom, how are you? Hello. How are you? And we have wines here. Cool. Really cool wines. Hi brother. Hello. Hi, yes, thanks bro. Very cool stuff. What's up bro? How are you?
Happy wedding anniversary.
Thanks man, thank you.
We share the same anniversary.
Oh, you also? How many years?
20.
How many years?
9
Oh
years.
wow.
So,
Ayos. This is my brother from Just Cold right here.
can we have a
Of course, come. Selfie. Come. Thanks, brother.
thanks for inviting us.
Thank you. And we have Uncle Bob's, one of our personal favorites. Uncle Bob's right there. Hi, Mom. Hi, Jack. Where are you going? And then thank you, Mom. Ganda naman yan. And then our favorite right here. Thank you. This is really our favorite, Mindful Indulgence. And then we have Duncan, all those guys. And Sarah is somewhere. Babe! That's Jobed. Say hi, Jobed. That's my brother right here.
Hello,
This is
Pee-wee.
my brother, huh? Pee-wee.
Hello. Thank you much.
Danweb. Hello. This is Julius.
G Studios.
This is show the frame. Go inside the frame. So if you come here, you can go inside the frame. Green Market frame. Alright. Hi guys. We're gonna go up. Hey, brother. This is my green. What's up, brother? How are you? You wanna drink some lambanog?
Sorry.
Lambanog.
Meron?
Yeah. That's Kasano later. Kasi,
Isa pa, vlog pala yung picture natin.
okay. Picture. Tita Christy, the famous Tita Christy. Ano mensahe mo, Tita Christy?
Of course, the most lovable love team of the year. Couple, of course.
Okay.
And number 1 in our
Binubunan naman natin si
Ate,
Tita
number
Christy.
1 sa Baxter. Siyempre kayo.
1, 2, 3. Ayos. Balik ako, Tita Christy. Cheryl, the beautiful. Alright. Where are you going, Cheryl? Where are you going? Okay. So we are going somewhere. Hi, babe. Where do you guys want to have lunch? Sarah's there. Baby, say hi. We have to take a picture with a thing. This is IG Live.
That's IG Live.
Where are you going? A rooftop?
Please test.
Taste it. Good. Where's Papa? Saan tayo? How'd you let me hold this? Come to me. Nice our merchants. You gonna watch?
Yeah. Paparaffle mo ulit?
Yeah, no.
See you guys next week daw.
What's this
Anong
week? In
meron?
America. Sarah,
Ah.
go to America next week.
Yes.
If you're around,
Thunder Valley.
Thunder Valley, San Francisco, San Diego next week. But today and tomorrow we're here at G Studios for the Green Market. If you guys are there over there, Landers, find the Landers. After Landers, come over here, G Studios. Here, here.
Ako na.
There.
Ayan. Karagin.
Location, we're located, ang init. Naka-live. Ang init.
Uy! Palang pagbibilan.
Sige, kitaan muna.
So guys,
No, it's here.
Okay, ready? 1, 2,
Sino?
smiling!
okay. Invite na.
Invite.
Invite 1, 2, 3.
What's up, guys? Come to G Studios today and tomorrow for the.
Green Market!
See you here. Ciao.
Okay, one look here again. 3, 2, 1.
Full body?
Yes, full body.
Full
3,
body.
2, 1.
Pwede nyo rin pong i-rent. Pwede nyo rin pong i-rent tong
Ciao,
rooftop
Georgia.
for sunset dinners.
Yes.
dating.
Private
If you want
date.
even more private, climb the ladder and jump down.
Uy!
I know, joke. Well, you guys were scared. Alright. Ciao, that's my sister. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
No, birthday ni Ian ngayon. Okay, everybody posing. Posing, guys. Come here, posing. Georgia, come here. Posing, come, ladies. Dan, Joyous, Marian. Yes. Hey, Robin.
Really, guys?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, posing, do it. Georgia, come here. Okay, screenshot this, you win something.
Come join us tomorrow! Thank you to all the merchants. Thank you sa lahat ng customers.
Ciao, guys.
Ciao!
You like my watch?
So nice.
Ciao. We got a really nice top like that. That's anti-spill.
No leak.
Anti-leak. Yours has leak. Yours has leak. The one we got has anti-leak.
Ano, baby? At hindi na na. Ano, nakalive ka pa ba?
Yeah.
Did you shop na?
Yeah, we'll shop more. There's actually really cool stuff.
Banana.
Wala sila sa
No, because they're abroad in Marion.
No, I follow up.
Anyways, they're abroad now. Next Tyron will be here.
Your sinful indulgence?
Yeah. Mindful. They're there.
Andito sila.
Ano here?
Yeah, the first. That's the best.
Ano na, mindful yung
Di bale.
They have chocolate covered banana.
Yeah, I had it. That's the first thing I had.
Really? Did you pay for it?
Of course, I paid for it. I paid for it. Yeah, come. Let's go here. All right, guys. Take care. Sawadika. See ya. Ciao. Arrivederci. Ci vediamo qua a G Studios. Ciao a tutti.
Ano, mahal dito na lang to or dadalhin?
Yeah, we can give that to our friends.
Dalhin na lang?
Can you check if you can hear me in my
Bigyan
Facebook?
natin sa staff. Ito, pizza.
Do you want to hold this?
No, no.
Say hi to my Facebook. We're live. We're live.
Just go like that. Hi.
We're live now. Ciao.
Ay! Live na pala.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Check one, two, three. Yeah, obviously it's late. But can you hear the mic's working? Hi friends. Hi Facebook friends. Yeah, Sarah wants the Sarah wants so
The nice cream. The
Sarah's there.
nice cream.
Jobed, this is Jobed. She's going to be the one holding the camera. Jobed, wala pa. It's still selfie.
Wala pa yan?
I guess. Alright, we are at G Studios. Ciao guys. Here, Jobed. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's go down and explore the G Green Market. Here, G Studios. Wait, where's your cell phone? Yeah, but baby. So let's go one round around the G Studios. Let's go home. Cheryl is there. STP boys. These are the STP boys. Oh, sexiest man I've ever March 20. Are they going to be here?
But if ever we see something cute, we'll send it to you. Yeah, you're
Baby, we're live right now, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, come. Baby, I'm gonna go around, okay? So before we go, I'm just gonna go around. So this is our personal favorite. My friend, say hi. This is the best chocolates in the world. Very good. How many viewers do you have?
675. 700.
We're gonna have good soy. In Tempe, this is what we had for lunch kanina. I'm gonna go around while Sarah's still there. And I have Dunkin' plant-based Dunkin'. With JC plant-based. This is my other favorite, banana pudding. Another favorite. We have this for lunch also. Really super cacao here, hot chocolate, very, very good. And then we have lambanog and all that stuff to make you drunk. These guys are also your favorite. Yes, are they lovers? Thanks guys, thank you. Really very good. I had coconut candy lunch. On fresh. And sunscreen on vegan, on locally. Uy! And Nina is gone. She's not.
No, this season.
Where are you gonna be here? Next time? You're gonna be here for today?
Yes. Kasi pala siguro mo
Not for lunch. This for lunch with all plant-based stuff. The Johnny all plant-based. The white company. Did I pick it up? Marion? No more money, empty. Thank you, sir. We have all organic stuff, really good. Really nice stuff. Alright, baby, let's go. Let's go. This one that I Dragon fruit ice cream. Yeah, we have now.
You got na? I bought 2.
Oh, you bought 2? Look at our pin. Green Market Merchant. I'm G. I am a green market. And then I want to have it. Come. Here. Wow, this is so good.
Not
Babe, this is so good. Tomorrow will come. Thank you. Babe, we'll get this tomorrow.
Nothing in there.
You're gonna take.
The season. Hey guys, and Uncle Bob's is the best. The Uncle Bob's sells their special today. They do this very, very good. Thank you, love. Hang out. See you tomorrow. Baby. Yeah, really good. Thank you. Well, let's go. Come back. At na ba tayo to? Thank you. Kim.
Tago.
Alright, officers, thank you very much. Alright, thank you. Goodbye, Taylor. Guys, thank you very much. Come to G Studios again today and tomorrow for the Green Market PH.
Yes, see you.
Ciao guys. Ciao, Ben. Thank you very much. Ciao, ciao.